Hello everyone. Welcome to Spring Boot REST tutorial episode 11. This is my channel Proto Hub. In this video, I will explain you on what is URN and uses of URN. Let's move on. URN stands for Uniform Resource Name, which is a type of Uniform Resource Identifier, URI, that identifies resources on the Internet. URNs are unique identifiers that remain valid even if the resource they identify is moved, or no longer exists. It identifies the resources independent of its location. The purpose of URN is to provide persistent identifier, that it remains unchanged, even when the resources change its location. Primary purpose of URN is that, it serves as long-lasting identifier for a resource, and ensuring that the identifier remains valid over the time. Also, URN is used for accessing long-term persistence and consistent identification such as academic papers, digital books. The syntax will be, URN, followed by namespace, which is followed by identifier. URN is to uniquely identify the resources using name. The namespace defines, and governs the URN. Example of namespace can be ISBN, ISSN. The identifier is a string of characters that uniquely identifies the resources within the namespace. It does not convey any information about the resource location. Thus, in this video, I have explained you on what is URN and uses of it. In the next video, I will show you on what is URL and uses of it. Thank you.